Around 1 billion goats are reared across more than 100 nations globally on countless small farms. Each location's climate impacts goat care and milk output. How do farmers raise goats for maximum milk yield? What's the world's most advanced milking system? Let's explore in this video. In today's world, closed goat farming is becoming crucial for a steady supply of goat milk and products. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United States, about 20% of world's goat farms currently use closed methods, a percentage tending to rise due to increasing consumer demand. To maintain a healthy raising environment, farmers must consider factors like temperature, humidity, light, wind, and bedding. The ideal temperature range is 15–25 degrees Celsius with 50 to 70% humidity. In hotter areas, providing ample drinking water is key to avoid heat stroke, while in colder regions, careful insulation is important to prevent frostbite. For nutrition, goats require adequate food like hay, cereals, and nutrient-rich seeds. Hay should be given minimum twice daily, while nutritious grains like seeds should be included once a day in the morning. The average adult goat consumes around 2–3 pounds of feed daily, though this can fluctuate based on the goat's breed, growth stage, and other factors. Baby goats will be fed formula after breastfeeding for roughly 6 to 8 weeks. The time for a goat to mature depends on breed, but usually dairy goats reach maturity after about 18 months. To ensure optimal health and development, goats need at least 2 hours outdoors per day, preferably in early morning or late afternoon to enjoy sunlight and exercise. Outdoor feeders should be positioned higher up depending on the breed, climate conditions, and specific production requirements. Farmers must adjust care measures to facilitate healthy goat growth. Goats start producing milk at 6 months old and continue until their estrus cycle ends, typically around 21 days when milk production peaks, increasing harvest efficiency. Normally, milking is done twice daily, in the morning and afternoon, with each milking yielding 3 to 5 liters of milk per goat. The world's most advanced goat milking systems operate mainly in developed nations like the US, Netherlands, Germany, etc. These systems boast many outstanding advantages to increase productivity, boost milking efficiency, reduce production costs, and ensure milk quality. In particular, rotating milking parlors can simultaneously milk up to 50 goats, optimizing production efficiency. The milk yield from each goat depends on many variables such as breed, care, and nutrition. On average, each adult goat can provide around 250 to 300 liters of milk yearly. On small farms, milking setups often feature manual or semi-automatic machines capable of handling 20 goats at a time. The milking process involves bringing the goats to the milking barn, cleaning the udders, then letting the machine automatically carry out milking. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, total global milk production in 2022 will reach approximately 900 million tons, with cow's milk accounting for 80%, goat's milk 10%, and sheep's milk the remaining 10%. Prices range from $1 to $2 per liter. The process of producing cheese from goat's milk is intricate and sophisticated, requiring meticulous care from milk hygiene to cheese aging. Goat cheese, with its higher fat content than cow's milk cheese, delivers a distinctively rich flavor. Here are details on the production process and some fascinating goat cheese industry facts. Filtering milk through a cloth or milk filter helps ensure cleanliness and safety for consumers. The goat's milk is then heated and the enzyme rennet added to curdle it, creating curds and whey milky water, with the whey separated from the curds. The curdled portion is cut into small pieces to facilitate easier whey removal. The cheese is then cooked for around 30 minutes to 1 hour so all the whey can escape, making the cheese thicker and more delicious. Next, the whey is removed from the cheese through skimming or filtering. After that, it's poured into molds to shape the product. The cheese is then salted to add flavor and preserve it. It's aged for about 2 to 6 weeks to develop its characteristic taste. Finally, it's cut into small pieces for packaging and sale. The price of goat cheese depends on many factors like breed, production method, fat content, and flavor. On average, goat's milk cheese is much pricier than cow's milk cheese. The Italian Parmigiano Reggiano cheese is renowned as the world's most expensive goat cheese. It's produced from milk of goats that graze the Apennine Mountains of Italy, giving it a rich, delicious flavor and high-fat content. Its price ranges from $200 to $300 per kilogram. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, annual global consumption of goat cheese is around 1 million tons. The countries consuming the most include Italy, France, Spain, the United States, and Greece. Thank you so much for watching this video. Since we don't have insights into the specific difficulties you may face on your farms, please share any problems or obstacles you're encountering, as this will greatly aid us in developing our upcoming videos.